How to access your Plex watchlist on your mobile device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Apps Tech Academy. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily access your watchlist on your mobile device for Plex. First things first, open the Plex application on your smartphone and make sure you're logged in. From the home page of Plex, you'll see recommended contents, recently added items, or your continue watching list. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and click on the watchlist icon at the top right corner. There's two overlapping white icons over here at the top right. Once you click on that, you'll see the watchlist tab. Your saved movies and TV shows will appear here. Tap on any item to start watching. Go ahead and press and hold on any item and tap on remove from watchlist if you want to remove the item from your watchlist. So that's how you can easily access your Plex watchlist using your mobile devices. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.